Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the suspension rods in this Whirlpool top-load washer, you will need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a flathead screwdriver, a narrow small flathead screwdriver, and a chain. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Have an assistant help you to move the washer away from the wall. Use the 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the 2 rear screws, securing the main top. As well as the screw securing the access plate. Remove the plate. Now pull the main top forward, lift up, and align it on the screw brackets. Support the main top with the chain. For easier access to uninstall the suspension rods, we recommend removing the tub cover. To do this, use the narrow small flathead screwdriver to help release the 8 retainers, securing the tub cover to the outer tub. With the retainers released, you can fully remove the tub cover. Reach in and lift up a suspension rod, then unhook the retaining ball from the rod. Use the flathead screwdriver to help detach the bushing from the outer tub bracket. You can now fully remove the old rod. To install the new suspension rod, align the bushing and spring under the outer tub rod bracket, then pull the rod up to snap the bushing into the bracket. Lift the top of the rod through the hole in the frame and upper bushing when replacing a rear rod, then align the retaining ball and rotate to secure. Repeat these steps to replace the other 3 suspension rods. With the new rods installed, replace the tub cover by aligning the 8 retainers with the tabs on the outer tub, then snap the cover into position. Remove the chain and reposition the washer's main top. Rethread the 2 rear screws securing the main top. Realign the access plate and secure it with the screw. Move the washer back against the wall. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the washer should be ready for use.